Hi guys, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Sac Plat BB, and this is my first YouTube video, so I thought what better way than with this adorable bag. The Sac Plat BB, it's so incredibly cute. So this is the bag, and this is the new packaging for the holiday season. It's Lego. I got the blue Lego bag. So this is the bag, and the sun's coming out. So there's a strap inside. So obviously I've unboxed this. I bought this just a little while ago, but wanted to, film this for my new channel. And so I've wanted the Sac Plat BB for some time, so I thought I would treat myself this holiday season. I've been really getting into Louis Vuitton again, and especially the canvas. There's something about it that is just so wonderful and quintessential to Louis Vuitton, and I love that. So I collect handbags all across the spectrum. I have everything from Coach to Hermes to Chanel to Celine. I love bags. Okay, I'm gonna get this packaging out of the way so we can do a proper look. Okay. So here is the Sac Plat BB. It's such an adorable bag. I've loved the Sac Plat by Louis Vuitton, I think since the 90s. I saw ads for it when I was, a kid, and then obviously not buying Louis Vuitton, but I was really drawn to the shape of the Sac Plat. So when they came out with this BB size, I just had to have it because it's so, look at it. It's so cute. It's adorable. And I'm trying to hide my hands in this video because my nails look really terrible. They need oil, but obviously I can't put any moisturizer on before I touch the vachetta leather. So if you see my nails and they look terrible, my apologies. Okay, so here is the interior of the bag. You can see after I take out the strap that there's already an insert in there because I purchased an insert. This one's from Zoomoni. It's the 1.2 millimeter felt thickness. Let me take that out so I can show you. Obviously, this is my first YouTube video, so this is not sponsored in any way by Zoomoni. I actually purchased all of my organizers from Zoomoni because I really like the 1.2 millimeter felt thickness, and it's just a liner, but so it's a liner, so it protects the bag, but it doesn't change the shape because the Sac Plat BB is really structured. This canvas is super thick. So let me put this back in there, and you can see how it fits the bag perfectly. So again, that's the liner, and I like the color matches pretty well. So as you can see, this is the bandolier strap that comes with the Sac Plat BB, so you can wear it crossbody. It's really fantastic. You can see the hardware there. I bought this bag for two reasons. One, because I just love the Sac Plat, so I've always wanted a Sac Plat, and when the BB size came out, it was just a perfect no-brainer. But I also bought it because I have the Speedy B 20, the Speedy 20 bandolier, and the strap it comes with is this really thick guitar strap. It's like a jacquard strap, and I'm just not crazy about it. It's not my style. I'm even though I'm wearing monogram canvas, I still, I'm not gonna bling it out with a giant strap. So for me, this strap is going to be so versatile on so many bags. This bag, it'll go with my Speedy 20 bandolier, and also just my regular Speedy 25 bandolier. So it's a really cool option. And so I have some strap stories. I actually did some purchasing to actually get the straps to wear with 3 bags, but I'll get into that later. I started with the Sac Plat BB because like I said, I just love it. I'm gonna do some mod shots, and I'm also gonna show you what fits in the bag. So just a second. Oh, and another game-changing thing about this bag is you see the D-rings to hook the, or the rings to hook the bandolier strap onto the bag. They're on the inside of the bag, like the larger Sac Plat PM, and also like the on the go. So it's a more stable structure than when the strap is attached on the handles. They used to have the attachment on the handles, and I just was really surprised to see this at the Louis Vuitton store. And I mean, I was so excited that they had changed the attachment. I did notice on the European website they show it with this attachment, so hopefully this is just an overall update, because this was made in Italy. As you can see, like the little, yeah. So that is a really incredible thing, and here I'll attach them and show you how they attach. And I think you're gonna see how stable and cool this is for crossbody. Super stable. It's just evenly weighted. This is how this bag should be. I don't like it when bandoliers straps are attached to handles. I just think that's a really bad idea. So this is incredible. So there it is with the strap. Yeah, I love it. It's so cute. Okay, so let's talk about what will fit. Now, this is kind of a fake out because sadly this cosmetic pouch is not going to fit. It basically fills the whole bottom of the Sac Plat BB. So that's out. I just thought it looked pretty in the picture. So what really fits are these things right here. This is an abbreviated cosmetics case for this size of bag. So this is what fits in the Sac Plat BB. It doesn't fit a lot, I will say that, but it fits enough for your daily on-the-go essentials. So not for travel, but definitely for running errands. So I have the damier ebene key pouch. I put that right down here, and then I have the Victorine wallet in the empreinte, and just put that right down there. And then this is a cute pouch that I got on Etsy. I just love these. They're really fun. And this is an abbreviated cosmetics pouch and like little medical kit. And then, you know, car key. And you know, Zoomoni, they give you these little pouches. It fits my car key really well, so I just put my car key in there. And I wedge that down like that. And then a phone will fit right down in this pocket. I'm shooting with this phone, so I can't show you that, but it will. So you don't have to worry about that. And then lastly, here's just a pair of Raybans sunglasses. And those just wedge right on top, so everything fits really snugly. And I like how the sunglasses cover my wallet and, you know, just for security. So that's what fits, and I will be showing you some mod shots. Hang on. So here's some mod shots with the strap that it comes with, the monogram strap. It's fantastic. I also wanted to try it with the strap from my Speedy 25 bandolier, so here it is with that strap. I really love it with both straps. So much versatility, I'm so excited. For reference, I'm 5'9" and I'm a US size 10 and curvy. So as you can see, the vachetta is really, really light. This is a brand new bag. So I actually have a little patina project going where I have 3 new Louis Vuitton bags that have very light patina. So I've just been putting them in a brightly lit room and seeing if I can accelerate the patina without doing any baby wipes or any water or anything like that. Just getting a little base coat of sun. So I'm actually going to be filming that whole patina journey, and then so there'll be a video on that. But right now the handles are really too light for me. I like dark, well, not dark, but you know, a darker honey color. I just think that's so Louis Vuitton trunk. And you know, the Sac Plat BB has these trunk accents, so, you know, on the corners here. So it's just such a great little bag. Not every Louis Vuitton canvas piece is perfect. And so, and also, I mean, striving for perfection when they're handmade elements, it's really difficult because, you know, with the hand stitching on the handles, you know, that's a very specific thing. You know, anything machine stitched, you know, that should be pretty straight. But again, it's all about your tolerance and what you deem to be a flaw. I think that this bag is pretty flawless. I just think it has all the markers of quality that I need to be happy with the bag. I actually have another Louis Vuitton bag recently purchased that I have some iffy quality issues about it. However, I took it into my own hands and I worked on the bag. I mean, a brand new bag. I did a little work on it. I'll talk about that in a later video. But for now, this is about the Sac Plat BB, and I just love the bag. It's constructed beautifully. For me, at Louis Vuitton, this kind of quality, it just doesn't get that much better. I think that this is really well made. And again, I have Hermes bags. I don't have many, but I have, you know, some pristine Hermes bags. And, you know, some of them have stitches that are out of line. It's pretty funny. You know, I have a bolide that has some crooked stitches, but I live with it because I know somebody's hand stitched those stitches, and maybe they were, who knows, maybe they were a little out of it that day. Maybe they weren't having a great day, or maybe they're just, that's good enough, and it's within Hermes's tolerance, so for their production. So I don't know, when I think of a hand stitching a bag and I think of someone putting in their labor to make something, I appreciate it. And when the quality is egregiously bad and you may have something really stand out, you know, that's another story, and that's something that you can return or exchange. So I think they're pretty good about that. But again, you know, it's up to you and what you tolerate from these luxury brands, because they're producing more and more bags than they ever have before, and the quality has to be affected at all levels, even Hermes. You know, I know everybody puts Hermes on a pedestal, and I have as well, but I love their bags. But yeah, I think we have to take it all in context of, these are handbags. They're leather goods. They're stitched. They're not made of steel. They're not made of you know, really durable materials. They're materials that can definitely, you know, they're materials that can definitely break down, wear down. I mean, if you rub these handles against a rough surface, if you rub it up against a wall, I mean, you're going to scratch it. I mean, that's what happens. So, you know, we got to wear them, enjoy them, and not treat them like they're objects to be put on a shelf. And remember that they're made by people. Even if they're made on a machine, there's still someone operating that machine and running that fabric through the machine. So, you know, a human is making it. I really appreciate human-made goods in this world today. Well, that's it for this first video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.